Ever feel like your Instagram profile needs a serious refresh without the commitment of deleting your past memories? Today, we're diving into a powerful Instagram feature that lets you instantly declutter your feed and reclaim your profile's aesthetic, archiving all your posts at once. First things first, open your Instagram app and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu, located in the top right corner of your screen. From the options that appear, select your activity. Now, you'll see a section labeled Photos and Videos. Tap on that. Here, you'll find options to manage different types of content. We want to archive all our posts, so tap on Posts. You'll see a grid of all your past posts. To archive them all efficiently, tap the Select button in the top right corner. Now, here's the magic button. Tap Select All at the very top. This will highlight every single post on your profile. Before we proceed, you'll see a prompt asking to confirm your action. With all posts selected, tap the Archive button, which will likely be in the bottom right. Confirm the action by tapping Archive again if prompted. And just like that, all your past posts are now hidden from your profile, instantly giving it a fresh, clean look. Don't worry, your memories are safe. If you ever want them back, you can always find them. Just go back to your activity and tap on Archive Posts. From here, you can choose individual posts to restore to your profile by tapping Show on Profile, or if you change your mind entirely, you have the option to delete them permanently. This makes archiving a fantastic, flexible solution for managing your social media presence. So there you have it, a quick and easy way to declutter your Instagram without losing any of your precious memories. Happy archiving!